I used ChatGPT's new trick and doubled my organic clicks in 14 days. I'm about to show you the exact prompt. This is brand new. OpenAI just rolled out GPT-5, and it's a game changer for SEO. You can build entire content briefs in minutes. You can analyze competitors. You can write articles that actually rank. And I'm going to walk you through every single step. Okay, so here's what happened. I took one keyword, I plugged it into ChatGPT with a specific prompt, and 14 days later, my traffic doubled. Not some fancy trick, not some complicated system, just ChatGPT and the right process. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself. So, the big update is GPT-5. OpenAI just released it, and it's way better at following instructions. It hallucinates less, it's faster, which means when you ask it to build an SEO brief or analyze search results, it actually does it right. Before, ChatGPT would make stuff up or miss the point. Now it nails it almost every time. All right, let's get into the actual process. I'm going to break this down step by step, and I'm going to give you the exact prompts you can copy and paste. First thing you need is a keyword. Just one keyword. Pick something in your niche. You can use Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs, or just type it into Google and see what comes up. Once you have your keyword, go to Google and grab the top 5 URLs. The top 5 results for that keyword. Just copy the links. You're going to need those. Then open up ChatGPT. Make sure you're using GPT-5 or GPT-4o. The newer models work way better for this. Act like an SEO researcher. For the keyword, your keyword here, list 7 fresh article angles that are currently trending. Short headlines plus a 1-sentence hook for each. And explain why each will get clicks. ChatGPT will give you 7 angles. And these aren't random. They're based on what's trending, what people are actually searching for. Pick the best one and move to the next step. Next step is competitor analysis. This is where it gets really powerful. Take those 5 URLs you copied. Paste them into ChatGPT. Then use this prompt. Analyze these URLs. For each result, extract the H1 and H2 headings, approximate word count, main entities and topics covered, 3 content gaps or missing angles, and list of keywords and LSI terms used. Then summarize the common patterns and recommend the best unique angle for our article. Now ChatGPT can't always fetch live URLs. Sometimes it can. Sometimes it can't. If it can't, just paste the page text or take a screenshot and paste that. Either way, ChatGPT will analyze it. And it will tell you exactly what your competitors are doing, what headings they use, how long their articles are, what topics they cover, and most importantly, what they're missing. This is the data-driven part. You're not guessing. You're looking at real data from real pages that rank. And you're finding gaps, angles they didn't cover, questions they didn't answer. That's your opportunity. All right, quick pause. If you want help with your SEO strategy, I'm offering free SEO strategy sessions. The link is in the comments and the description. We'll look at your site, we'll find the quick wins, and we'll show you exactly what to do next. Book your free session now. Now let's build the content brief. This is the blueprint for your article. You're going to use this prompt. Create a content brief for the keyword, your keyword, with primary headline in 3 options, working meta description at 160 characters, target search intent, recommended word count, H1 and H2 outline with 300 word notes per H2, 8 LSI keywords to include, and 5 FAQ schema questions with short answers. Format as a clear brief. ChatGPT will spit out a full brief. You get 3 headline options, you get a meta description, you get an outline with H2s, you get LSI keywords, and you get 5 FAQs ready for schema markup. This is everything you need to write or outsource the article. And here's the thing. This brief is based on the competitor analysis you just did. It's not generic. It's tailored to beat the pages that are ranking right now. That's why it works. Next, you're going to write the article or have ChatGPT write it. Use this prompt. Write the article from the brief in SEO-friendly HTML. Use H1, H2, and P tags. Include meta title and meta description, JSON LD FAQ schema with the 5 Q&A. Suggested internal link anchor text for 3 links and a short 30-word CTA at the end. Use a conversational tone aimed at your audience. Boom! ChatGPT writes the whole article in HTML. with schema, with meta tags, with internal link suggestions. You can copy and paste it straight into your CMS. Now, obviously, you should read it and tweak it. But the heavy lifting is done. Now let's talk about titles. Your headline matters. A lot. You need something that gets clicks. So, run this prompt, give me 10 title variants that are click-worthy, 5 meta descriptions, 6 tweet-length social snippets, and 3 short video script ideas each 15 seconds promoting this article. You'll get 10 different headlines. Test them, pick the best one, or A/B test a few. You'll also get social snippets and video ideas, so you can promote the article on Twitter and YouTube and TikTok, all from one prompt. All right, now you publish the article. Upload it to WordPress or whatever CMS you use. Add UTM tags so you can track where your traffic comes from. Then wait. Give it 14 days. Let Google index it. Let it start ranking. After 14 days, export your data. Go to Google Search Console. Export a CSV with your queries, impressions, clicks, CTR, and position. Then paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. I have this CSV from Google Search Console with columns query, impressions, clicks, CTR, position. Analyze and give top 10 queries by clicks. Identify queries with CTR less than 1%, but average position in top 5. And recommend 3 pages to update and what to change. ChatGPT will analyze your data. It'll show you which queries are driving clicks, which queries are ranking high but not getting clicks, and it'll tell you exactly what to fix. Maybe your title sucks, maybe your meta description is boring, maybe you're missing a key section. ChatGPT will tell you. And this is how you get data-driven results. You're not hoping your article ranks, you're tracking it, you're optimizing it. You're making decisions based on real numbers. All right, let's wrap this up. ChatGPT with GPT-5 is insane for SEO. You can analyze competitors, you can build briefs, you can write articles, you can optimize based on data, and you can do it all in a fraction of the time it used to take. I gave you the exact prompts, I showed you the process. Now it's your turn. Pick a keyword, run the prompts, publish the article, track the results, and watch your traffic grow. And if you want the full AI SEO playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 plus monthly visitors, check out SEO Elite Circle. We'll show you how to rank number 1, get more customers, and make money with AI SEO. The link is in the description. Grab the playbook and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. Book your free SEO strategy session. Link is in the comments and description. And join SEO Elite Circle to get the full playbook. That's it. Go build your content. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting, and I'll see you in the next one.